Introducing the ultimate tool for perfecting your cricket bat. Our fully automatic cricket bat knocking machine, designed to give you the best performance with minimal effort. Equipped with double sensor support and a limit switch, this machine ensures precision and safety every time you use it. Don't worry about the noise, our machine is soundproof, so you can operate it without disturbing others. Plus, it requires minimal space. It can fit perfectly in just 3 feet by 5.6 feet, making it ideal for both homes and workshops. Need to move it around? It's easy. The machine rolls on 4 wheels for smooth movement. Powered by 3 powerful motors, this machine offers consistent performance with no maintenance required. For added security, an operating password alert keeps your machine safe from unauthorized use. It's also easy to operate, with a simple system and a single holder for easy handling. At 130 kilograms, it's sturdy yet manageable, and we offer a 1-year warranty for your peace of mind. With an easy belt assembly, mounting your bat is simple, and the hammering speed control lets you customize the process for the perfect knock-in. This cricket bat knocking machine is made by Woodpecker, and it's the ideal tool to get your bat match ready, giving you consistency, control, and convenience. Try it today. You can contact us on 973-756-2230, or you can visit our website, www.woodpeckersports.com.